In life there is two roads. Other one needs a path, other one needs a freeway. What about principles? What about toughness versus simple? Smega natuthanda iBhayibheli uzosikhinya sifuna ukuyophuza sifuna ukuthenga i2 H my check 1-2 yazi baza kukhuluma abanye abantu. That's why I trust God more than myself. I'm on a journey of unusual success. Alone I can't, yes, with Him I can. Other people put trust in the money. Other people are here just to exist, like nothing is happening. Ish, batho batla go shia pepele, yeah, batla go tshepisa lefatshe. Halem buta, halem